Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to smooth curves, circles, and polylines in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Smoothing curves and corners in Autocad is a great way to make your designs look cleaner and more professional. Instead of sharp edges and rough corners, you can create smooth, rounded transitions very easily. The main tool we'll be using today is called the fillet command. This command allows you to round corners and smooth out shapes in just a few clicks. Before using the fillet command, it's important to make sure your shape is converted into a polyline. This makes the editing process much easier and more consistent. Start by selecting all the separate lines or curves that make up your shape. Once everything is selected, go to the command line and type join, then press enter. Autocad will now combine all those separate elements into a single polyline. This is important because it allows the fillet command to affect the entire shape smoothly. Now that the object is a polyline, it's time to start smoothing the corners. Go to the command line and type fillet, then press enter. After activating the fillet command, type P for polyline and press enter again. This tells Autocad that you want to apply the fillet effect to the entire polyline at once. Next, click on the polyline you want to smooth. You may notice the corners change immediately depending on the current fillet radius settings. To control how smooth or rounded the corners become, you'll need to adjust the radius. The radius determines the size of the curve. Type R and press enter to access the radius option. Then type a numerical value for the radius and press enter again. Smaller radius values create tighter curves, while larger values create softer and wider curves. You can experiment with different values until the shape looks exactly how you want. After setting the radius, select the polyline again. You'll instantly see the updated smooth curves applied to the object. This technique is extremely useful for architectural drawings, product designs, floor plans, and technical sketches, where smooth transitions improve the appearance of the design. Using fillet properly can make even simple drawings look much more polished and professional. It's one of those small AutoCAD tools that can make a huge visual difference. Keep practicing with different radius values and different shapes. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to create clean and smooth designs efficiently. And that's basically it. You now know how to smooth curves, circles, and polylines in AutoCAD using the fillet command. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.